So as we've discussed before with our triads, major, minor, diminished, augmented, everything has been stacked or built up in root position. So everything is stacked in thirds. And if I zoom in a little bit here, so if we have our 1, 3, 5 of our F major triad, 1, 3, 5, that would be in root position. So we can invert these chords so a different note is on the bottom, the lowest sounding pitch. That doesn't change what chord it is, but it does change the inversion. So as we see here, we're in root position. But if we take the F and put it on the top, so now we have A, C, F, so that becomes 3, 5, 1. This is still an F, but it's in first inversion because the third is in the bass. The third is the lowest sounding pitch. And we can switch this one more time. It's still an F, but now the C is the lowest sounding, and we have an F, and then we need our ledger line for our A. So that's a 5, 1, 3. So this would be in second inversion. And the fifth is in the bass. So first in bass, third in bass, fifth in bass. So let's take a look at this on our piano. We might not have enough here, but we'll get the idea. So if we take our C, E, and G, we can invert those, and I'll change colors. So now we could have E, G, and then our C is up here. And we could invert those a second time for our second inversion. So we have G, C, and then we'll say the E, which is off screen, is up there. So the same chord, but it's in an inversion. It gets a little different sound, but these are great to play in context with other chords because we don't have to travel so far. We can use notes that are in common with each other, common chord tones, and we'll talk about those later. But for right now, let's listen to how these sound. Okay, so looking at our F, A, C. So root position. Now we're going to take the F and put it up an octave higher. So we have A, C, F, first inversion. So again, root position, first inversion with a third in the bass, A, C, F, and then I'm going to scroll here. Then we have our second inversion with the fifth in the bass, C, F, A. So 5, 1, 3. So again, 1, 3, 5, root position, 3, 5, 1, first inversion, 5, 1, 3, second inversion.